Welcome to Bike Studio, your trusted source for the latest updates in the two-wheeler world. Today, we dive into the all-new 2025 Bajaj Platina 125, a commuter motorcycle that blends efficiency, comfort, and modern technology. Design and styling. The 2025 Platina 125 carries forward its sleek and practical design but with a few noticeable upgrades. A sharper headlamp with LED dials enhances visibility, while new body graphics add a sporty touch. The extended seat ensures maximum comfort, making it ideal for daily rides and long commutes. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Platina 125 is powered by a refined 124 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine that delivers a smooth and efficient ride. With an expected power output of 10.5 PS and 11 Nm of torque, it offers better pickup while maintaining fuel efficiency. The 5-speed gearbox ensures seamless gear shifts, making city and highway rides more enjoyable. Ride comfort and features. One of the standout features of the 2025 Platina 125 is its advanced suspension setup. The telescopic front forks and nitrox shock absorbers at the rear provide a plush ride, even on rough roads. The longest-in-class seat, along with Bajaj's ComfortTech technology, further enhances the riding experience. Braking and safety. For better safety, the Platina 125 now comes with a front disc brake option, paired with CBS, combi braking system. This ensures controlled braking and reduces skidding, making it safer in heavy traffic conditions. Mileage and price. Bajaj has always been known for fuel-efficient bikes, and the Platina 125 is no exception. With an estimated mileage of 65 to 70 km/h, it remains a budget-friendly choice for commuters. The expected price range is around 80,000 to 90,000 Indian rupees ex-showroom, making it an excellent value-for-money option. Conclusion. The 2025 Bajaj Platina 125 is a perfect blend of style, performance, and economy. Whether you need a daily commuter or a fuel-efficient workhorse, this bike is a solid contender in the 125 cubic centimeter segment. Stay tuned to Bike Studio for more updates on upcoming motorcycles.